Oh my. This is rosemary, and it smells really good. I love the way rosemary smells. Wow, look at that. Can we have it, please?
I'm sorry, Adrienne. I don't think we need that at our home, and I think somebody's throwing it away.
Oh, please, can we take it home, please, please, please? Oh.
I'm sorry, no.
Oh. Stop. I feel frustrated. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's my turn to jump, okay? Okay, I'll wait. All right, here we go. I can't wait. Oh, no. Stop. I feel angry. Are you okay? I didn't mean to jump on you. Oh, yeah, I'm okay. You have a leaf in your hair. Let me get it out for you.